Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about improving your handwriting. Good handwriting is important for both personal and professional reasons. It helps you communicate your thoughts clearly and impresses people with your writing skills. In this video, I will share with you 5 simple tips that you can use to improve your handwriting. So let's get started. Tip 1. Use the right pen and paper. Choosing the right pen and paper is important for good handwriting. Use a pen that you are comfortable with and that glides smoothly on paper. Use good quality paper that is not too thin or too thick and that does not bleed when you write on it. Tip 2. Practice regularly. Practice makes perfect. Make it a habit to write every day. Start with simple sentences and gradually move on to more complex ones. Take your time and focus on forming each letter perfectly. Tip 3. Pay attention to your grip. The way you hold your pen affects your handwriting. Hold your pen firmly, but not too tightly. Position your fingers so that they are comfortable and allow you to move the pen easily. Tip 4. Slow down. Take your time when you write. Don't rush through your sentences. Focus on each letter and make sure that it is formed properly. Write at a comfortable speed that allows you to form each letter correctly. Tip 5. Pay attention to spacing and alignment. Spacing and alignment are important for good handwriting. Leave enough space between words and letters. Make sure that your letters are aligned properly and that your words are evenly spaced. So there you have it, 5 simple tips to help you improve your handwriting. Remember, good handwriting takes time and practice. With these tips and a little bit of effort, you can improve your handwriting and impress everyone with your writing skills. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and join us for an exciting journey to mastering the art of drawing with Callistyle Hobby Courses Institute. Thank you for watching.